So this is the second video for Chapter 5, Section 1, Solving Systems by Graphing. And this one specifically is actually covering solving a system of linear equations by graphing. So the example says solve the system by graphing. So we have x minus y is equal to 3, and then y equals to negative x minus 1. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that they're both in slope-intercept form. So y is equal to mx plus b. For this specific one, the first one isn't, but the second one is. So x minus y is equal to 3 needs to be solved. So you would start by subtracting x from both sides. Negative y is equal to negative x plus 3. And then either divide by negative 1 or multiply through by negative 1. So y is equal to x minus 3. And then again, the other one is y is equal to negative x minus 1. Once you've done that, we need to start setting up our graph. I'm going to go every 2 boxes is 1 when I label my x and y axes, just because I want to spread it out so you can see the solution a little bit easier. Okay, so from here we can graph. So for the first we have y is equal to x minus 3, so you start at negative 3 on the y-axis because that's the y-intercept. And then our slope is 1, so up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. You can do that a couple of times. Connect your dots. I'm going to use a different color so we can get some color contrast. And again, do the same thing for the second equation. So the second equation is y is equal to negative x minus 1. So you start at negative 1. And a slope again is negative 1 this time around. So it's down 1 to the right 1 to produce that negative slope. Or up 1 to the left 1. Connect your dots. And then from here, you're simply looking for that point of intersection. The point of intersection is the answer to this solution, so we're looking right here. And this point, oops, that did not stick. Okay, so that point is at 1, negative 2. So the solution to this specific system is 1, negative 2. And that would be our solution. Alright, so that would be the end of how to answer this. So again, first thing is to make sure everything is put into slope-intercept form. From there you're going to graph both equations. And then the third and final thing is to find the point of intersection. Because that again is the solution. Alright, so here's your u-try. So it's 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x is equal to, or sorry, y is equal to x plus 5. Again, make sure you do all 3 steps, make them the same, graph them, and then find the point of intersection.